A baby elephant, called a calf, is adorable with its small size, floppy ears, and a short trunk. Birth: it weighs around 90 to 120 kilograms at birth and is about 3 feet tall. Habitat: baby elephants live in forests, grasslands, or savannas, depending on their species. Bonding: they stay close to their mothers and are cared for by the entire herd. Food: initially, calves drink their mother's milk, but later learn to eat grass, fruits, and roots. Behavior: baby elephants are playful and love to explore their surroundings. Growth: they grow quickly, learning to use their trunk for eating, drinking, and playing.